Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel and I'm excited to take you on this creative journey with me. Here, I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and tutorials on flyer designs and more using Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's dive in and create something amazing together. Let's explore the world of design, one project at a time. Now, grab your tools and let's get started.